In this video, you will be shown how to properly install the Eliminator pool cover with a deck. Pull the cover across the pool by unfolding it as you go to ensure the cover does not drop into the water. Have one person on the opposite side of the deck hold the cover to prevent it from falling into the pool. Have buckets full of water or another weight on the deck to secure the other side of the cover so it does not slip into the pool. Use a bucket of water on the opposite side of the deck to keep the cover secure as you install the bungee cords around the pool. There is around 3 inches of stretch on each side of the bungee to ensure the proper tension on the cover. Install the bungees on every other upright around the pool first, so there is not too much tension on the cover when you install the deck. Drill a small hole for the eye hook to give approximately 4 to 6 inches of stretch on each bungee cord. This amount of stretch ensures the cover will handle the pull weight of heavy rain and snow and will retract once rain has drained through the Eliminator mesh and the snow has melted. Install the rest of the deck bungee cords using every other strap. Each year you can rotate the cover to ensure the longevity of the straps and cover. Install the bungees on the rest of the uprights. Here is what the final result should look like with the proper install and tension on your cover.